Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily change your Instagram account from public to private. So for doing this you just need to go to Instagram, just tap here and just choose here settings. So just tap on the settings. So now just choose privacy, and here you need to choose in the connections you will see account privacy. Just tap here and here you will see private account. So you can see when your account is private, only people you approve can see your photos and videos on Instagram. Your existing followers won't be affected. So just turn on here, and now just go back. So here you can see that it successfully changed to private. Here you can see lock. So now our account is private, so just try it. I hope it will help you. Thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.